was only $15. Stuff from tjmaxx.
Sam, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Like, oh my gosh, I've been hoping I would run into you. Hey loves, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another girly vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I found this really good Starbucks birthday cake pop creamer. I'm obsessed with it. They were out of stock at Walmart for the longest time, and I finally got it back again. Okay, I just finished getting ready. Here's some of what I used. I am obsessed with this Victoria's Secret Bombshell perfume that they came out with. This one smells so good. Here is my bag of the day. I love this bag. It's like 3 years old at least, but it's this Kate Spade tweed bag. I love carrying this during the wintertime. And then I got this really cute little bag charm from Victoria's Secret. I don't know if you'd really call it a bag charm, but it's kind of like a little coin pouch thing. Anyways, we are going to go stop by tjmaxx and see if they have any new Pinkmas stuff in, and I need to run a couple errands. And then when we get back, I should have some PR packages. It's hopefully, if the mail has arrived by then, to unbox. Okay, Mommy's going to go out for a bit. You want a treat? I'll bring you a toy back, okay? Sophie, good girl. Sam, are you jumping? Huh? Okay, found some cute stuff. I got the doggies their toys. Got some cute stuff from tjmaxx. I got my little doggies their toys. I swear, anytime I go out now, I feel guilty because I started this thing of bringing them a toy home. And now they're like 2-year-olds. They have to have a toy every time. We're going to stop by Dunkin' Donuts and see if they have the cookie cutter cold brew out. I think it's called like the Cloud Latte this year or something. Fingers crossed they do. And then after that, I really need to go take my car through the car wash. So, yeah. Anyways, let's go see if Dunkin' has. Can I get a medium cookie butter cloud latte?
Medium iced cookie butter latte?
Yeah.
You wanted the cloud, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
I got you. What else?
That's it. Really my favorite Dunkin' drink. I think they just changed the name, but it's basically the same one as last year. This is good. This is the same as last year. I love the cookie crumbles on top. I missed you guys so much. So many of you were asking for a vlog, and I really wanted to do my first video back as a vlog because I wanted to catch up with you guys. That was the longest I have not posted on YouTube in forever. And I know I keep saying it, but some of you don't know, or hadn't heard. But my dad had passed away, and then it was months. I didn't do anything. Not to mention I had to deal with his house and everything else, and then just grieving. So, and then after that we started remodeling our house, like full on knocking out walls, raising ceilings, kitchen, everything, which I'm so excited to show you guys. But it was a lot, and we literally just now finished that up. I had people out in and out of my house every single day. Like, the company worked literally 6 days a week. And yeah, that went on for like 6 weeks. So I was very glad when it was finally done. I love how everything turned out. But I've got that done and out of the way. It's like I can get back on my, I can get back to my normal routine. But I just wanted to catch you guys up on that. And I appreciated everybody who sent messages and all the love on my first video. You guys have been so sweet and so patient. Just give me ASMR vibes. Okay, now comes the sucky part. I gotta pull over here and vacuum this thing out. Car is nice and clean, somewhat clean. I feel like the car wash never truly gets everything off, but it's clean. You know, I've got Sophie, and she's grown a ton, and we take her to the groomer. And then when my dad passed, we got his small Aussie doodle, and his name is Sam. So I've had 2 dogs in here like every 2 months, taking them to the groomers, and there was just hair everywhere. So I feel like my allergies are probably about to act up. Okay, looks like we got in some good PR packages.
Were y'all good puppies? You want your toys? Huh?
Hello, Sophie.
You want your toys?
Okay, Mommy's got your toys. Come here. Okay, I got this really cute little pink nutcracker for Sophie, and then we got Sam, this smaller one, since he's a tinier dog. So let me get the tags off for them. Okay, Sam, here's yours. Whoa, boy. Soph, here's yours. There's your little pink nutcracker. Oh, yeah, they love their toys. They'll probably be torn apart in about 5 minutes. Look what I finally found from tjmaxx. I found this online last week. I had searched for this bow everywhere last year. It's this huge, like, ceramic bow. I just happened to get on tjmaxx's website last week and saw it on there. I was so excited. I had to share that. And then this is PR I got in over the last week or so. And this is like Christmas stuff. We've got the Christmas Glow Recipe Advent Calendar. I just wanted to quickly gloss over some of this stuff. I'll do the rest in another video. But look how cute this new collection from Polite Society is. They have these little minis. They even sent a little gingerbread cookie. And they have this really cute gingerbread lippy out. And it's got a little keychain on it. Is this not adorable? And then the Advent Calendar from Glow Recipe has some really good full-size stuff in it. But like I said, I'll get into that in another video. And then I got in some stuff from Benefit and Valentino. Probably going to be a very big Pinkmas giveaway this year. I have so much stuff I can put in. Also just got this huge package from Glow Recipe. It has their liquid blushes and their lip balms. So I'll definitely be putting a lot of this in the Pinkmas giveaway. You guys know I do one every single year. All I picked up at tjmaxx. Little white fuzzy ballerina girl. She is adorable. This is from the brand Sugar Plum Dreams, and then it says Merry Christmas like right on here. This was $12.99. If I can find a pink one or a blue one like this, I'll definitely be grabbing a set. I think she's so pretty. I found this little blue tree. This was $7.99. I liked the pink and the gold. Got this little snowman mug. Isn't she so cute? This is from Target. I think this was like 12 bucks. They also have it online too. It's this really pretty like feather glittery tree. And then I got this little press for champagne ornament from Target too. Isn't this adorable? I really wish I would have vlogged yesterday because Target had a bunch of cute stuff and you guys won't believe what happened. So I was in Target just shopping, and I was leaving the Christmas section, and one of you guys came up to me, and I heard somebody say, "Lindsay, is that you?" And I'm like, "Yeah, that's me." And she's like, "Oh my gosh, I've been hoping I would run into you. I knew you were from around this area, and I've been following you for years. I found you on TikTok," and she loves Pinkmas. Her name is Caroline. She was so sweet. Caroline, if you happen to be watching this vlog, you made my day. Honestly, I was like, somebody knows me, little old me. So nice meeting you. And I told her to send me some pictures of her Pinkmas, and I left the store and I was like, man, I wish I would have been vlogging, because I was just as excited as she was. Like, I was 10 times more excited. I was like, oh my gosh. So anyways, hey Caroline. Time for some PR packages, and I am so stoked about these, especially this big blue one right here. I'm officially a Dove partner. They sent me this huge box. So it says, "You've just unlocked your best skin. Welcome to the Dove Scrub Club." I love Dove. I use their deodorants and body wash all the time. Then 3 body washes. This one is the 24-hour Renew, and it smells like peony and rose oil. That sounds amazing. I haven't tried that one yet. We've got the warm vanilla and sweet cream. Ooh, that sounds good. And then we have, let's see, this is dragon fruit and coconut cream. Ooh, that sounds so yummy. And then we got some body scrubs. I'll be doing a Pinkmas giveaway coming up. You guys know I do one every year, so I'll definitely put a couple of these in there. First one we got, oh, this is so cute. This one is dragon fruit and coconut. And then we have vanilla and the shea butter. And then we've also got Himalayan salt and rose oil. Armani Beauty, they sent me 2 of their Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk foundations. I am so excited to try this. Ooh, this shade looks like it's going to be a really good match. This shade is 6.5. Next up, we have ColourPop, and I think this is going to be their Grinch collection, which is so cute. This is not the Grinch collection. They're supposed to be sending it. This still works for me. It's their Fresh Kiss Candy Cane collection. You get a lip balm and a lip scrub. Love these Fresh Kiss lip glosses, and I bet this one smells so good. And they sent a candy cane lip scrub and a candy cane lip mask. Let's sniff them. Okay, yes, it does smell like peppermint. It smells really good if you like peppermint smells. Bloom sent over their new Bloom Pops. So these are actually prebiotic sodas. They're caffeine free, but 20 calories, and it has 3 grams of sugar. They sent me watermelon lime. I'm excited to try these. And then we got in another package from Kiehls. I really love their skincare. They sent over some of their midnight recovery concentrate. They sent me their retinol skin renewing microdose serum. I love this one. This will last you forever. It's the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. It feels amazing. My face feels so good after I use this. Ultra Barrier Hydrating Cleanser. This is one of my all-time favorite products from them. This hyaluronic acid serum, you guys. Oh man. Moisture and plumping, like it definitely does. And Maybelline New York sent over their Magic Eraser Concealer Sticks. I have heard so many good things about this. I think it's been a couple years since I've tried these, but this is their Age Rewind. I love the applicator on here. Next up, we have a package from Good Molecules. Let's see what they sent over. The packaging is so cute. Look at this. So I have never tried them before. I'm excited. They sent their lightweight daily moisturizer. It has shea butter, avocado seed oil, and hyaluronic acid. That sounds amazing. And then they sent a niacinamide brightening toner. Ooh. Here's one. We have a hyaluronic acid serum. Oh, yes. A Wake Up Eye Gel. It says it's supposed to reduce puffiness. Oh, I like the little package that comes in. And Good Molecules is now available at Ulta, so if you guys want to try it, definitely check it out.
Sam, what are you doing? What are you doing? Huh?
Sometimes we'll see deer out here in the afternoon, like right before it starts to get dark. I was hoping I'd come out here and there might be one, but I don't see any. Look at the deers, you guys. If you can see them hopping, look. I went back in and came back out like 20 minutes later, and there they were. So we're about to start cooking dinner. Sophie, you hanging out with me? She loves that bench seat. So I was going to share what I'm cooking for dinner. This is a really easy recipe, and my family requests it at least once a week. I got the recipe from Tick, and it's these Italian subs. So you get these, I get the Lewis brand steak sub rolls and submarine dressing. Like, I'll pour the submarine dressing on it. You need Italian seasoning, a purple onion. I've got some turkey here, some Swiss cheese, hard salami, and then they substituted my romaine lettuce for iceberg lettuce. It's not going to be as good this time, but I love the romaine. Hillshire Farm honey ham, and then mayo, banana peppers, and pickles. Let's whip it up. I'll show you guys how easy it is, and like I said, it kind of gives me Firehouse subs. If you've had Firehouse subs, kind of reminds me of that. I'm going to get this bowl and mix all my stuff. Okay, next we're going to take our banana rings and we're going to chop these up. They're making a mess of the same thing with your cheese. I get a pretty good bit, that way it melts really good when you cook it, when you bake it. And I just cut them into super tiny pieces and then like sprinkle it on there. Loaded. We're gonna put the submarine dressing on top, and we're gonna bake them for like 12 minutes. So I just got my Amazon package in, and it's this really pretty coquette bow. This was only $15, and it kind of reminds me of Love Shack Fancy. And I'm gonna put it on my tree in the living room once I can get my husband to get home, because I don't have a stepladder and your girl is way too short. But I think it will look good up there. I wanted to do something a little bit different this year. And this is the same tree I had last year. This one is the Starry Light from Home Depot. It's 9 foot. And then here's the twinkle lights. These are my favorite. I went ahead and put this one up. And then I've got one that just came in for my upstairs bedroom. And then I've got my stuff pulled out for my beauty room, but I haven't put anything up yet because I want to decorate my tree and everything in there with you guys. So I'll do an update on the bow once it gets on the tree. So I got me a tree for our bedroom. This one's just a little 7.5 foot one. I really wanted one like in my beauty room, but they apparently have stopped making them. So I went with this one. It's called the Jackson Fir, and it's 7.5 foot tall. I don't know if I'm gonna put any ornaments on it. I got the little basket tree collar from Walmart. And then it does change colors. It's got like a warm white. I was kind of limited on options because I definitely needed a slim tree. So, yeah. I probably will end up putting ornaments on it. It's not as full as I thought it was going to be, but it's cute for a little bedroom tree. And here's the pink version. It's just like that other blue one I was showing you guys. $15, and it comes already pre-made. I just need to fluff it out a little bit. Like I said, I haven't decorated this tree yet in my beauty room, but I think this bow is going to be so cute.